Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 435 L4H3 130, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 142,758. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine needs repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.